In this guide, I will show you how to set a stop-loss order in Robinhood on Android. Locate the Robinhood app icon on your Android device home screen and launch it. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with a list of all your stocks displayed at the bottom of the page. Just scroll through the list and select the stock for which you want to establish a stop-loss order. After selecting the desired stock, you'll be directed to the stock's information page where you can view its historical data and other relevant information. Look for the Trade button located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. From the drop-down menu that appears after tapping on the Trade button, choose the Sell option. After selecting Sell, you'll be prompted to choose between selling in dollars or shares. Select dollars as you'll be setting a stop-loss order based on a specific dollar amount. In the Conditional Orders section, tap on Stop Order to initiate the process of setting a stop-loss order. Next, tap on Continue to proceed with the setting of stop price for your stop-loss order. Enter a stop price in the lower would be lower than the current market price in the stock. You'll then be prompted to select the duration of your stop-loss order. Choose between a one-time option for one trading day or a 90-day option if you intend to have the stop-loss order active for a long period. After entering the stop price and selecting the duration, review the details of your stop-loss order and ensure that all information is accurate. And once reviewed your order and confirmed that everything is correct, swipe up on the screen to send the stop-loss order, and your order will be executed based on the parameters you've set. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.